Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off safe mode in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to turn off or off this safe mode in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. Just scroll down your control panel and here you'll get the power icon. Just tap on it, then tap on power off and keep a long press on it. Then select safe mode, tap on it. Now you just have to wait for your phone for restarting, just wait for it. So after that just unlock your device and here you will easily get that your safe mode has enabled your apps or disabled. You can see that some apps are disabled, something like this, or you'll get the safe mode icon in the bottom left corner. So now if you want to disable it, so let's see how. For disabling you must have to restart your device. Just scroll down your control center and here just select power icon, then select restart and then tap on restart again. So after restarting your safe mode will be disabled. So that's how you can easily turn on or off safe mode in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.